Good evening, I summon the cat. Oh, what happened? Kaiser scared Ollie, and Ollie do a We try it again. You are not the cat. Mr. Ollivander, the wand-selling kitty. How is your evening going? Where's your crackhead sister? She emerges. The kitties refuse to be summoned as long as there is a small horse in my bed. Kaiser, you're scaring the cats. This can only mean one thing. I summoned the cat to myself. I got the baby. He gives belly. Oh, he gives so much belly. He's the baby boy. Opie do not usually give belly. She gets scared. She do a wiggle.